In this video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube Quality Unavailable problem on your Android phone. First, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture, then tap the Settings icon. Scroll down and tap Data Saving. If data saving mode is turned on, turn it off. If the problem still isn't fixed, go to your phone's home screen. Tap and hold the YouTube app icon, then tap App Info. Next, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. After that, go back to the App Info page and tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. Now reopen the YouTube app and play the video again. The quality option should now be available, and you should be able to change the video resolution. That's it. This is how you can fix the YouTube Quality Unavailable problem on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.